Welcome to Intellectual. In this video tutorial, we are given a square and two quadrants. One is a big quadrant and another one is a small quadrant. We have to find the difference between the two shaded region. This is marked with A and D. Now we have to calculate A minus D. Now in order to calculate A minus D, we will use the concept of area of quadrant and area of square. Now this is B is a small quadrant and this is a big quadrant. This is a square. We will use area of square and area of quadrant. Now area of square is given by side square. Suppose this is a square, then the area of this square is this x square. Now what is quadrant? Quadrant is a 1/4 part of a circle. If this is a circle divided into 4 parts, then each part is called a quadrant, and area of quadrant is 1/4 of the area of circle, which is pi r square. Now solve this question. Now if you look at the question, in order to find out A minus D, I can write area of quadrant, that is bigger one. I'll write big here, is A plus B plus C. This is A, B, C. This is one of the quadrant, and the radius of the big quadrant is given to be 20 centimeter. So area of quadrant is 1/4 pi r square, given the radius as 20 centimeter. So this will be 1/4 into pi into 20 into 20. We can use the value of pi as 3.14. So this will be 1/4 into 3.14 into 20 into 20, 4 5s are 20. So 3.14 into 100 will give you 314 centimeter square. Now next, in order to find out A minus D, we can write this as area of big quadrant, which is A plus B plus C. Now we can write D as B plus C plus D. Now this C plus D is nothing but this is C plus D. This is area of this small rectangle, right? And B is the area of this small quadrant. So I will write B plus C as area of a small quadrant plus area of rectangle. Now area of quadrant we have calculated as 314 centimeter square. 1 minute. This is A plus B plus C minus B plus C plus D. This is nothing but C minus B minus C minus D. So this will cancel out, and that is A minus D. Now we have to calculate the area of a small quadrant. This is the radius of a small quadrant is 10 centimeter. So this will be 1/4 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. This is 314 upon 4, which is equal to 78.5 centimeter square. Now area of rectangle, this is given by length into breadth. So this radius was 20. So this will be 10 and this is 20. So area of rectangle length into breadth will be 10 into 20, which is equal to 200 centimeter square. So our answer will be 314 minus 200, plus 78.5. This is area of rectangle plus area of small quadrant, which is 78.5. So 78.5 plus 200 will give you 278.5, and this was 314. So on subtracting we'll get 35.5 centimeter square. So we have found out the area of the shaded region, that is A minus D. We have written A as A plus B plus C, which is a small quadrant, big quadrant, sorry, and B plus CD is area of a small quadrant plus area of rectangle. On subtracting we get 35.5 centimeter square as the difference between the two shaded region. Hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial with some more good questions on area of shaded region. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.